This airplane landing goes wrong, or this helicopter struggle at this fire on air show. This airplane collided with the birds during low pass. This helicopter flying too low while filling up the water, nearly going down.
Dumping. Overflow with that or training.
This Airbus A380 is skidding its nose wheel.
See, nice and close to us now. Oh, got an issue here. Wow, come on, you could have just made it off to the next taxi.
This fighter jet dropped bomb for demonstration in an air show. This airplane will reject its takeoff after an engine failure. This Airbus A380 passes through a bird on landing.